How to fix TikTok voice effects not showing. Hello everybody, my name is Jatin and you watch Expert Tech, and this video very helpful for you, so please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. And in this video, how to fix TikTok effects, voice effects not showing. So first of all, open the App Store. You have a iPhone, so open the App Store. You have a Android, so open the Play Store and search now TikTok, because you can see update now update. So TikTok option, click now and you can see don't update new version. So go back and you are open the TikTok app and you can see plus icon, click now and record a video and record a video example and go your voice effects and click now and you can choose our voice effects. I hope guys this video helpful for you, so please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.